Welcome to Nnewi Hotel, a beacon of hospitality and luxury and the heart of Anambra's industrial city. More than just a place to stay, this hotel represents a commitment to excellence, comfort, and the rich culture of Nnewi. A recent documentary highlights one of the recent prominent hotels, featuring insights from the managing director Obiora Arazo and Ezinne Oba. This film offers an in-depth look at the hotel's operations, its role in the community, and the dynamic business environment of Nnewi.
I'd like you to introduce yourself and also tell us how you were able to rise to the position of the CEO of the Nnewi Hotel.
My name is Obiora Arazo. I currently don't hold the position of the CEO, funny enough. Okay. But I sit on the board of directors, active general manager right now of the hotel. Currently, the acting chairman is lady by Akuchukwu Arazo, who is the active chairman of the Nnewi Hotel and Event Center. Okay. My elder sister.
Oh, okay.
It's a family-owned business, yes, by the way, so that's how it is.
How has it been running around? You look very busy.
We are very busy. let's use that. We are very busy. There's a lot to be done in order to propel the hospitality, entertainment, and tourism industry in the area, especially. The hotel came through a rough time that required directors hands-on the property, so that is why I decided to take on that action. I come into this service area, basically. This says leads you to the accommodation department. Our specialty is intercontinental. We like to cook intercontinental. I mean, we're very good at local dishes too, but we like to offer people that what they can't find around basically in the area. Then for our people coming in, we now offer them the delicacies of what Nnewi has to have. Like El Raba, you most likely find your intercontinental dishes and maybe small chops and sit out by the poolside food menu. Then the restaurant is for your fine dining. Basically, why I walk through here is because most of the times our guests are having breakfast. Kind of meet and greet because that's part of what we do.
According to the managing director, Mr. Obiora Arazo, Nnewi Hotel was carefully chosen for its serene environment, ensuring that guests can unwind, relax, and fully enjoy the refreshing atmosphere it offers. With its calm and inviting ambience, the hotel provides the perfect setting for comfort and relaxation, making every stay a truly enjoyable experience.
How was it when the road leading to this hotel was not really good?
I prayed to never see such days again. Where such beautiful edifice and investments is set into place and accessibility issues, among other things, become the order of the day. The hotel actually opened its doors in 2016. The hotel was commissioned by General Abusawami Abubakar. That was his first and only trip ever to the southeast. Wow. That was come and commissioned the Nnewi Hotel and Event Center. During that period, there was some, would I say, looking like they were going to build a road or access road here, which made the board initially decide to set the investments in Nnewi here in this location. So, for years, you know how government things work. We waited and waited and waited and waited and waited.
That was a long wait.
Yes, it was a long wait. Long antagonizing waits. But like my firm belief in everything, there's a time for everything. You can't be down forever. Gotcha. At some point, the winds will blow in your favor if you are doing or setting in the right direction. So The road was actually completed last year by Governor Soludo last year March and commissioned in, I think it was June, July. So I'm very grateful to the ABGA government, the Soludo government, for what they have done to open up this environment, because we are not just the only ones sitting in this area. There are other households and individuals. Let's say nothing less than about 30,000 people require the services of that road. And I think the number has even increased now, because over the last year the teaching hospital, as you know, opened up somewhere in this neighborhood. So that's, with all that coming into play, I mean, we are grateful to the government. So that was while the road was being built, so the hotel was there, we were able to, you know, get one or two things once in a while, do some community service, PPR, grade the roads, and try to get access into the community. The hotel was taking care of that with the one or two businesses it was getting, with people who had confidence in our services and that were still wanting to patronize us. We understand what hospitality is about, so we had to start from where the road was bad, at least to smoothen it. So now that the government has decided to finally be a government.
To Nnewi Hotel in particular, but now business is good.
It's improving. It's not there yet, but I believe that with the recent, thanks again to the solution government, the thing is done on security.
Yeah.
With that action, like I said, the government is actually becoming the government. So I'm excited. So I'm kind of excited to actually do business, because all this while it hasn't been business. I mean, it has. One of my friends called it that I was busy doing charity.
That was tough.
Yeah, I mean, it was painful. I nearly cried when I realized he was being honest and told me the truth. So what you're doing is not business, you're doing the charity. But with the recent things that the government has done, like providing security, so people from diaspora can visit, so now we can expect people to come for their retreats and things like that, picnics and other things at the Nnewi Hotel Event Center. Before, we couldn't even imagine such a thing, because when to tell someone, say you want me to die, that they are killing people all over the place. That's where we find ourselves in.
Mr. Obi Oragazu has praised the government of Governor Charles Soludo for the construction of the road that provides access to Nnewi Hotel and its surrounding areas. He acknowledged that before the road was built, businesses in the area, including the hotel, struggled due to poor accessibility. According to Mr. Arazo, the difficult road conditions previously discouraged guests from visiting the hotel, leading to low patronage. As a result, the hotel management had to spend excessive amounts on diesel to power their Lister generator, despite having few or no guests. He expressed appreciation for the governor's commitment to infrastructure development, stating that the new road will significantly boost economic activities in the area. Mr. Arazo urged the government to continue its efforts in improving roads and other essential infrastructure across Anambra State.
What other contributions has TNH in aspect of tourism placed Nnewi to, as well as bringing in foreigners, the hospitality local markets? What other ways has it contributed?
Well, we pride ourselves in aiming to be an international brand, to sell the hospitality nature of Nnewi. Like you know, Nnewi is a very hospitable place. Nnewi welcomes visitors from every nook and corner, and Nnewi people also go places. So that was the whole idea, to bring a place of that the name, when you say the Nnewi Hotel, that is the hospitality that Nnewi has to offer, the luxury that Nnewi has to offer, the meats, the grits, the wheats, the audacity to survive. That's what Nnewi has to offer you. That's what Nnewi, like, you go to any businessman, like, it's not just the Nnewi Hotel. You hear a lot of story of tenacity and survival, that when it was tough, that they kept grinding out and saw it out to the end.
We want to carry this whole management, this whole edifice is representing Nnewi. It is no gainsay to say Nnewi is a place for manufacturers. needs?
I beg to differ.
Okay, you will differ.
Yes, I'll tell you like why I would beg to differ. Nnewi produced for you the first Senate president. He is no trade, he is no business.
So it is also a home for politicians?
No, it's also a home for elites. It's also a home for the best brains that you can find. It's a home for thinkers.
How has it been carving a niche that goes beyond the motor parts, the machine parts, the elite, carving a niche in hospitality? How has it been thriving in this market that is Nnewi as it stands?
Well, Nnewi as a, should I say Nnewi as a town is a place where you find different people with different needs. The hotel wants to cater to the people who are looking for serenity, calmness, quietness, and quality and not quantity kind of ordeal. So carving out a niche in a town like this has been difficult because, like you say, Nnewi is a bargaining town. They like to bargain. It's a bargaining town. That's the what I can get for 20 naira. Why would I pay 35 naira for it? You understand? But it's been exciting and enlightening seeing people who didn't understand it yesterday and today. They're like, sometimes there's some guests I said, okay, this is why this is why we're not the same price as the other hotel. This is why we're not offering these services. This is why we don't want to play music at this certain time. They start explaining that to guests. This is why we're not going to find noise or people hovering all over the place here. This is where when you come, you know what you're coming to do. You're coming to the bar or the restaurant or to use the accommodation or the gym or the hall. Is not, I mean, you can't loiter here. So with that set in mind, trying to teach the Nnewi and the Nnewi as a city, the serene lifestyle has been interesting because it's a town of noise.
What kind of noise?
From the motorbikes to the industrial machine factories and all that, to the motor cars, to the bars and the joints with the loud music, to the churches. We can't leave them. You can't leave them out. To the street crusades. You can't. I mean, it's a town of noise. So I mean, the Nnewi Hotel wants to cater to the serene, like we also we party hard here. We party very hard, but it has to be scheduled. Yes, you understand. After the noise, everything dies down and returns to peace. That what we call a good time is basically going to the bar, eating better protein and drinking alcohol. I understand that's what we can do with the loud music.
Or listening to high life.
With the loud music hitting me. All things that are not good for you, combination that are not good for you, all coming to you at once. The alcohol, so the whole idea is to enlighten our people that there are other ways to relax, get away from the stress. For example, you can have a quiet evening with a glass of water while you're swimming at the poolside and relaxing and exercising yourself. Things like that. That is also entertainment. Or to come for a drama show, which was something that we did during the Igwawa festival that you talked about. There was a drama presentation from the theater department of UNN. It was very exciting. They did a drama about Igbo reason. So it was a storyteller to know. So it's things like that. Trying to bring back our grandfathers, because maybe our fathers have actually missed out on that because of trying to mix the Western with the traditional. It's not just in the circular life, we're also having that even in the entertainment aspect where we're trying to crossbreed the two. What I mean by crossbreed in entertainment is you have people now who are focused on Western music
Okay.
Even though we call it
Afrobeat,
Afro-pop, it's actually based on a Western technology. All the whole. What I'm thinking about is the situation now where people can go back to playing the opera and playing video gaming and trying to produce quality sounds, orchestrative sound, not just letting it be an art that would die off. Because that's what we're seeing a shift into the electronic, where we soon have maybe AI that will soon play music for us.
I think AI can do that.
Play music, exactly, but there's nothing as sweet as seeing somebody and so that's what we the Nnewi Hotel want to offer to the Nnewi people. When we have entertainment settings like that, where if it's drama, we'll have drama shows that we intend to put up in the near future. And also, like the Iwawa series that we partner with the Blessed Entertainment to present to Nnewi every after. So with those things in mind, trying to bridge the hospitality and the entertainment, which was where the question started off, is another work because of the education that you have to go through to let people know that, hey, give this a chance. It's only happening gradually. Like I said, last platform was a crop of both the West and the local music scene. We were able to attract some high quality artists, and we want to also use this vehicle, because that's what I call it, to also promote our local talents, because we have some talented people who people don't actually want them to show their talent because they believe they should be in Nkwa markets. Selling motor parts or trading somewhere. I've gone up to some university. Like I used to remind people that at some point at some point in my lifetime, if you mention that you want to play soccer to your parents as a profession, they will take you to the pastor to do you deliverance. But here we are now. We have parents actually sending their kids to football academies now.
From birth.
That's the whole idea. I'm trying to let it's not one dimensional.
Yes.
But I hope it's also to partner with some secondary schools in the area to bring back drama appropriately. There are some schools I've interviewed and some teenagers that I've come across and I've interviewed them. I think the last drama I did was in primary school. There was no drama club, no drama class. It's all read, you're going to be a medical doctor, or you're going to be who's going to entertain the medical doctors after they had a stressful day? Then the reception is where I hit up next. What I come here to do, they give me very basic information over here. If I come over here and basically have like what's my occupancy rates, what rooms do I still have under maintenance, what are my reservations, who am I expecting, and what events are coming up in the day, or any new units. Once I'm done with this area, then I hit up the have one of the cleanest pools in the area, and one of the largest ones also. We take pride in maintaining our pool. So with that, it's basically my morning routine. I have been basically to every... Okay, yes, before I forget.
Please don't forget.
I won't forget. I'm going to take you there because it's one of the major places that I actually forget. Why do I forget it? Because it is one of the most useful places here.
Okay.
But I don't get enough chance to use it by myself. But I have a lot of guests who come in and use it because I don't go to the gym.
Why so?
I have an excuse. I'm too busy with my work. Trying to keep you active.
I'm glad you already know it's an excuse.
Yes, it's an excuse. Okay. Someday I plan to start going to the gym more often. So this is the gym.
Oh wow.
Where would like to say we are highly equipped. We have a machine for every muscle that you want to work.
I love the gym.
You have a treadmill over there.
Oh wow. I would have loved to be coming, but the distance. You have personal trainers here?
Yes, the gentleman, he's very good. Oh. He's actually a physiotherapist by profession.
Oh wow.
So.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. What makes TNH, the Nnewi Hotels, stand out or being the top notch compared to other hotels in Nnewi?
Well, apart from the grace of the Almighty God, I would say it's our dedication to detail.
Okay.
That's our dedication to identify our customers' need and try to cater directly to that, so that need is satisfied. That if you come in with any need, that when you're leaving the door, you feel you have gotten value for whatever you have exchanged with us, be it a conversation or be it finances, that you leave with value. That's what makes Nnewi Hotel different from other places. What we offer here is value.
As the heart of hospitality in Nnewi, this hotel embodies elegance, comfort, and tradition. Whether you're visiting for business or leisure, the Nnewi Hotel's finest accommodations promise a memorable stay, seamlessly supporting the city's thriving commerce and industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury and culture.